welcome back to my channel. Today in this video, I'll be showing you all how to complete a natural soft brow. I'm starting the eyebrow off with a brown liner that's from Wet n Wild. First, you want to make sure you lightly brush the pencil against the bottom of your brow, then lightly on the top of your brow. While outlining your brows, make sure you do not press down too hard because this can result into a pencil look brow. Once you finish outlining your brow, you will then begin to brush in or fill in your brow using that same brown pencil. Once you are finished outlining and filling in your brow, you will then repeat these same steps on to the next brow. Don't worry about how your eyebrows will look once you finish outlining them. They will be fixed, trust me. I then use an eyebrow spoolie to soften the inside of my eyebrows a little bit more. In this next step, I will then begin to use concealer. When you use concealer, make sure you outline just as you did in the first step with the eyebrow pencil at the bottom of your brow with your concealer. You're using the concealer to make a clean line. You can then drag the concealer from eyebrow to eyebrow. This is the method that I use because it helps me out to make it a little more even. As I forgot to mention, for the bottom brow, I am using the LA Girl Pro Concealer in the color Suede. For the top brow, I am using a Ruby Kiss brow brush that's angled. And for the concealer for the top brow, I am using Rimmel Stay Matte Concealer in the color Warm Caramel. And you can repeat these steps for the top brow just as you did for the bottom brow. And you can also connect the concealer together to meet in the middle. I always use this method because it helps me to make it more even. You will continue this process until you receive the desired look using the concealer. Make sure you don't use a lot of concealer, and also it is best to use two different colors of concealers, one for the top and one for the bottom of the brow. I use a natural skin tone color on top of the brow, and on the bottom of the brow I use a darker color. Eyebrows are very time consuming. Just take your time to do your brows. As I always say, eyebrows are not twins, they are just sisters. Oops, and I messed up, but that's okay because that's what concealer is for. Once you finish applying the concealer to the top and the bottom of the brow, you would then grab a blending brush and start blending in your concealer. Make sure while you are blending that you blend in very, very well. Keep blending until you can't see any more of the concealer visible. So I went back in using another different clean Ruby Kiss brow brush, using a dark brown gel from the Magic collection, and just filled in the areas where I thought that needed to be filled in. You will also repeat this step on your other brow if needed. Now you can add the finished touches to your eyebrows. I went back in with my brow spoolie to try to soften up the inside of my brow just a little bit more. One of my brows looked like they need to be filled more, so I went back in with my brown pencil. Here you have the finished look. I added a little mascara to my lashes and put on some lip color. The lip color I'm wearing is from Armi in the color Seduce. I hope you guys have enjoyed my video, and as I stressed to you, your eyebrows are not twins, they're always sisters. There is no perfect eyebrow. Thanks for watching. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe, and tell me what you think about this video.